Hey friends, this is your math homework for the week of April 23rd. If Miss Yao sounds different, it's because she's very allergic to Miss Baird's dogs.
No comment.
Okay, let's get started. We're going to do which problems? I didn't even look at them. Oh, God. Okay, number 2, 4, 6, 8. Blam. That makes sense.
That makes sense. Let's do it.
All right. There are 25 PlayStation 4 games to sell at the fundraiser. Each game costs $34. How much money will be raised if all the games were sold? Great question. Okay. So, the question is, do we know the total, or are we trying to find the total?
Find the total.
We find the total. So, if we need to find the total, what operation is that?
Well,
It could be addition, or it could be multiplication. But it says that each game costs $34. So if I sold one game, that's $34. 2 games, also $34. Third game, $34. So it's multiplication. 25 times 34. Did you teach your kids the turtle head method or the little box?
We did the box.
Okay, same. Thank goodness. Box. All right. Let's break up 25 into tens and ones. We have 20 plus 5. 34 would be 30 plus 4. All right, let's do this first box, 20 times 30. 2 times 3 is 6. 2, 0, 600. Next, 30 times 5. 3 times 5 is 15. Add a 0, 150. 20 times 4. 2 times 4 is 8. Add a 0, 80. 4 times 5, 20. All right, stack them up. 600. Wow, I'm flying through this, huh?
Well, they should know this one.
They should know this one.
We did a review problem last week on this.
So it's kind of like ridiculous that we're doing it for you, but here we are, out of the generosity of our hearts. In the ones place, 0, 0, 0, 0 is 0. 8 plus 2 is 10, plus 5 is 15. Blam. 6 plus 1 is 8. 850. Oh, I have a naked number. LOL.
Boo.
Boo. So how much money will be raised? 850
dollar bills.
dollars.
All right, Miss Sutherland Baird here. Sutherland, as Miss Johnson calls me. So look at number 4. Compare from greatest to least, which we know greatest means big, least means small. So I'm looking at my fractions. 4/5, 3/10, 1/2. Well, unfortunately, none of them have the same denominator. Bless you, Miss Yao. It's not my dogs. We're going to find the multiples of each of them. So we're going to do 5, 10, and 2. So let's write the multiples.
5, 10, 15, 20,
I don't write that fast.
30.
I'm stopping at 30.
10, 20, 30, 40.
She's going so fast.
50, 60, 70.
Stop there.
Okay. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12.
I'm gonna stop there.
Okay.
Let's see if we have a number that's the same. Let's scan. Oh,
10.
good.
I didn't
Now,
mean to yell that. Sorry.
we're going to change our fractions to have denominators of tens. The good thing is, or tenths, excuse me, this one's already tenths, so we don't have to change that guy. We do have to change the rest of them, though.
Oh, I love how you write it underneath. That makes it so much neater. Guys, do that.
I am going to try to write all the new ones underneath. So let's see how that works. I'm going to write small.
Very smart.
This equals blank tenths, and this is going to equal blank tenths. So we have to use equivalent fraction strategies. 5 times what number gives me 10? 5, 10, 2. Times 2 on the top. 4, 8. All right, this is my new one. 8 tenths.
Ooh, I love that. Look how neat that is, guys. Look how neat that is.
All right, we're going to roll our 2's till we get to 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
5.
We're going to multiply by 5. So 1 times 5 is 5. Now, let's go back and look at, which fraction is the greatest and which one's the least. So let's look at the new fraction. So it looks like I'm comparing 8 to 5 to 3. So obviously 8's bigger, so that's number 1.
Number 1.
5 is medium.
Medium.
And 3 is the least. But we have to go back to our original fraction, so I'm going to rewrite them from biggest. So the biggest was, again,
4/5.
Comma.
1/2.
Comma.
3/10.
Boom.
Blam.
There's your answer.
Okay, 5 8s plus 3 8s. Well, when we add fractions, do we add the denominator, Miss Baird?
Never.
Never. Oh my gosh, guys, please don't. Okay. we're only adding the numerator. So if we're adding 8s, it stays 8s. 5 8s plus 3 8s is 8 8s.
Wait a minute, something's wrong with that.
I know, that's odd. Well, the numerator is the same thing as the denominator. Wait a second. Flashback to 3rd grade. What does that mean?
One
whole.
Boom.
That's
Do we have
it?
to simplify? Nope.
No.
Can't simplify a whole.
Wow, that was so easy.
All right. Number 8. Looks like we have a subtraction problem. 5 and 1/4 minus 1 and 3/4. You have to be careful with subtracting mixed numbers because you may have to regroup. So my whole number is 5 and 1. Yes, I can subtract that, but before I do that, let's look at our numerators. Oops, I can't do 1 minus 3. So we're going to regroup. Now, Miss Yao has a little bit of a different way to do it, but you'll still get the same answer.
Well.
So we're going to take away from the whole number. That becomes a 4. We're going to keep the denominator same, but we need to give back to the numerator. Give back the denominator to the numerator. Oop, I can't write a 4. That's a 4. Sorry. 4 plus 1 is 5. Now, that's improper, but that's okay because we need it to be improper. Now, we can subtract all the way across.
My kids just do our strategy. Or do this.
It's Yao's class. You know what to do. Denominators stay the same. 5, 4, 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. Now, I can't leave it like this. Let's check to see if I can simplify.
Factors of 2.
1 times 2, that is prime, one of a kind. Factors of 4. 1 times 4 and 2 times 2, that is composite. Let's circle the numbers. They have the same. 1s, 2s. Okay. The 2s is the 2 is the biggest number. They have the same. So let's simplify. Let's divide the top by 2, the bottom by 2.
Don't forget your whole numbers, guys.
I won't. I'm going to write the answer at the bottom. Miss Yao, shush.
No, that was for the
Shush.
that was for the general audience, not for Beard.
2 divided by 2 is 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Yes. Let's bring this guy down. Final
almost forgot.
simplified answer is 3 and
Half.
1/2.
Blam.
All right, guys. It's riddle time. Tucker is really excited. I don't know if you can hear him in the background. That's my dog, guys. That's Tucker. All right. We have a guest celebrity. His name is David. David, read us the question.
Hey guys, I got a riddle here for you. What word begins and ends with an E, but only has one letter?
Okay. What word begins and ends with an E, but only has one letter? You ready? Envelope.
Because envelopes carry letters. Oh my gosh, this dog is really scaring me.
Look, begins and ends with E,
But has a letter.
has only one letter.
Only one letter.
Ready? I'm going to draw you a letter. Ha 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 ha. All right, guys, this has been your homework this week.
All those noises in the background were the dog.
That's Tucker. If you write Tucker at the bottom, you get an extra little.
Really?
Tucker.
Not from me, guys.
Tucker rules.
He made me sneeze.
Tucker rules. Bye.